Welcome to the IMAS inaugural Day of Giving. I'm Ann Fortescue, President and Executive Director at IMAS, and I am so excited that you are joining us on this historical day for the museum. Here's what you can expect, so tune in with us throughout the day. It's October 7th, and the silent auction is open for bidding. Over 3 dozen incredible auction items range from original artwork, wonderful dinners by talented local home cooks direct to your house, and an array of home decor, all lovingly gathered by the IMAS Guild, our incredible dedicated team of volunteers who've been supporting the museum for 50 years. To start the day off, Casa Om is leading us in a 6 a.m. yoga class. Originally created for this summer's Museum at Home event, it gets you stretching and ready for the day. So we hope you'll join us at 6 a.m. At 10 a.m., a live workshop Wednesday will introduce you to wonderful art media that you can make with materials at home. Play with texture, color, space, dimension, and symbolism to create your own Max Vidic-inspired warrior. This is a wonderful complement to the current exhibit that we have on view at IMAS, Warriors of Light, by artist Max Vidic. And our education team has created this wonderfully inspired workshop to get you in the spirit to come and see the exhibit in person. We are open Thursday through Saturday from 10 a.m. until 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. until 5 p.m. And admission is just $1. Members are always free. At 11 a.m., we're going to be rebroadcasting a wonderful lecture as part of Brain Awareness Hour. The advantages of being a mermaid. Introduce you to some interesting comparisons between mermaids and humans. You might want to tune in to find out. 12 p.m. celebrates our wonderful IMAS Guild. We're having a Zoom lunch meeting with them, and we're going to learn and laugh together and celebrate their 50th anniversary. The Guild is a powerhouse of volunteers who have steadfast and tirelessly raised support for the museum for 50 years. So come and join us. It'll be fun, and I bet you'll learn something. Also, wear your pink in support of Breast Cancer Awareness Month. We hope to see you at noon. At 1 p.m., tune in for watercolor landscape painting with IMAS educator Kristen Sanchez. I think you'll be surprised to see the wonders that you can create with watercolor paints. At 2 p.m., you can design your own NASA mission patch with Selena Garza, one of our IMAS educators. This is a wonderful way to celebrate the 30th anniversary of the Hubble Space Telescope. Did you know that IMAS is just one of 72 organizations nationwide that was selected to host the Hubble Space Telescope 30th anniversary image? And it is just glorious. It's called Cosmic Reef, and it's just a beautiful picture of a galaxy. Show your support today and help the IMAS reach 100 individual donors. Text IMASGiving to 44-321 to make your donation today. And thank you.